Hello, I saw your question about 10.3, this number 6. You could do that, you want to find the test statistic. You could do this by hand or with the aid of a calculator or technology. I'm using StatCrunch. You click on sample T statistic, one sample with summary, and this comes up. The sample mean is given as 98.4. Sample standard deviation here is given as 1. Sample size is given as 250 measurements. And then the hypothesis up here at the beginning, 98.6, and they think that the temperature is actually less than that. So claim is less than. You click compute, and it'll give you a T statistic and the p-value. Okay, so again, you go to I'm in StatCrunch, stat, T statistic, T stat, and one sample with summary. Put the information in, click compute. Hope that helps.